Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to explore some questions from KMC. Let's see. Today we are not only to learn a new type of question, but also to learn a new type of operation, because we are going to solve the question about defining new operations. In fact, it seems a bit difficult. Wow, new operations. But in fact, you just need to follow the rule it gives and it will become quite easier. Let's see the first one. We got if a asterisk b equals a times a plus 2b. In fact, the times sign is omitted, so 2 times b. Then 7 asterisk 4 equals what? Here, follow the rule it gives. You can know the answer. 7 asterisk 4 equals, because we know a asterisk b before the asterisk sign, that is a, so we can replace a by 7. It is equal to 7 times 7 plus, and after the sign, that is b, so we can replace b by 4, that is 2 times 4. Now you can calculate it. 49 plus 8, and we can get 57. Not very difficult, right? You just need to replace the letter by the given number and you can change the new operation into what you have learned before. So this is how to define new operations. Let's try to apply it in the next question again. Here we got if x asterisk y equals 3x plus 2y. Then 5 asterisk brackets 3 asterisk 1 brackets equals what? Wow, we have brackets here. When you see brackets, which part should be calculated first? Always do the brackets first. So let's calculate 3 asterisk b first. 3 asterisk 1 first. So we just need to replace x by 3 and y by 1. Equals 3 times 3 plus 2 times 1, and we can get 3 times 3 equals 9, and 2 times 1 is 1, is 2, so the answer is 11. Now we know inside the brackets that is 11, it becomes 5 asterisk 11. 5 asterisk 11 means we have to replace x by 5 and replace y by 11. So that is 3 times 5 plus 2 times 11 and calculate it just. It's normal operations now. 15 times 22, we can get 37 as the answer. So that is 37. You see, when you see the normal sign, just follow the normal rule. When you see a special sign, just follow the rule it gives in the question. And let's see here. Sometimes we may have unknown in the question how to solve it. In this question, we got a and b, they represent two numbers, and given that a star b equals 2a plus 3b. So, if we know 5 star x equals 43, what's the value of x? Wow, it seems so hard, but let's replace it first, because we know a star b equals 2a plus 3b. So 5 star a for x. Okay, x equals, replace a by 5 and replace b by x. You can get 2 times 5 plus 3x. Okay, you can calculate it now. 10 plus 3x, because we know it's equal to 43. It's just like you get an equation here and just solve it, you can find the unknown. It's quite simple. 43. So 3x equals, you just need to use 43 taking away 10. We can get 33 here. And for x, that is 33 divided by 3. So x should be 11. Now you see, not very difficult, right? X is just 11. So even if you see unknown in a new operation, you just need to replace it step by step and solve a normal equation. So follow the rule it has given, and you can make it even very easy. Okay, so that's all for today's class. See you next time. Bye!